know that he's on suspension. I don't know what that means. Does your club have a CEO right now?
You know he's on suspension. Did we say that?
No, I'm saying that we know. So I'm saying unqualified. So that is why I bring you here for the clarity. So if it wasn't for what we don't know, we wouldn't say Umamkhize ozokhuluma. So I'm saying what we know based on what we read. Sazi ukuthi uthiwe yena is on suspension.
Okay, I'm not going to answer that again because it's the same thing that has happened with Uletswalo where there was a 20 million. So the media can say what they want to say. If I've got anything to say about my CEO, I'm sure I'll let you know. I call media briefing all the time, press conference all the time. I get to radios all the time. If I had anything to say about my CEO, you would have known. So I'm not going to entertain the noise of the world.
But is he still part of the team, though?
If I haven't said anything, what will make you think he's not?
Is he reporting for work as we speak?
What do you mean he's reporting for work?
Like, yes, an M7, and is he clocking for work?
But the problem is the CEO doesn't clock for work, does he?
I don't know. There are different CEOs, there's different presidents, there's different chairmen. Then they do things differently.
Yeah, so in this case, the CEO doesn't report for duties.
What does he do?
No, he doesn't.
Does he work remotely?
No. He doesn't wake up in the morning and go to work. But that's the internal affairs of Royal AM, which I'm not going to open up here in the media and say, how does my CEO work in my company? Like, you've never seen a recipe of Kentucky coming out. Kentucky can't tell you about their recipe, right?
Yeah, but I know Colonel Saunders. I've spoken to him personally. He's told me how to do Kentucky.
Okay, did you come and tell the world?
He asked me not to.
So why can I tell the world if he asked me not to?
Because you're the Colonel Saunders this time.
No. Then I'll tell you off record.
No,
I can tell, like Colonel Sanders said, don't tell the world.
We were not on radio though, because I wasn't on radio at the time.
Okay, I'm saying now, I can never tell the secret of Royal AM and lay them bare in the media.
Okay,